In the comment sections on a lot of videos, people are asking about the connections for quad packs, tri packs, whatever it may be. So I want to show you guys. We use the Baughman Tile Company's end plug. It goes inside the high octane and it's barbed and it does not come out. So you don't have to struggle down here trying to connect these with a Y coupler. What's the point? Throwing water through this fence and water going through that pipe into the bottom one is the same thing. The water is going to pass right through it. There's so much inlet with the high octane that the water just passes right through it. There's more reservoir in the system with high octane than stone. So we got two pipes. Now the trench gets deeper over here. So we dropped in a third, then we dropped in a fourth. Look at that, dropped in a fifth. This was super deep back here because they crowned the backyard. Now, crowning the backyard works if there's a storm drain on both sides of the yard. In this case, because it was crowned, the surface water couldn't drain past this point. So now we have five of the high octane in one trench. Okay, so now, because it was crowned and that was the deepest part of the dig, we drop a line. We go to 4. We drop another. We go to 3. Drop another. With a Baughman Tile Company's end plug. And then we're going to finish this out with 2 high octane.